Superfoods in the reversing aging process. Welcome back. In today's video I'll be talking about superfoods that you should be eating to slow down the aging process. Aging is caused 30% by genetics and 70% by lifestyle choices. Bad lifestyle choices like being overweight, smoking, and not exercising increase the aging process. Aging can also be defined as a series of changes that put humans dangerously close to death. This means that aging has a direct relationship with human mortality and many other factors. With increasing age, the mortality rate rises. This is due to the fact that the functioning of all of the body's parts begins to deteriorate. With advancing age, the ideal level is reached also demonstrates that as one gets older, the production of useless cells increases in the body. Aging manifests itself in the body in a variety of ways. The appearance of dull and dry skin is one of the most visible indications of aging. Natural oils are produced by our skin. These oils keep our skin looking young and supple. As people get older, they have a tendency to reduce the rate at which oils are secreted from the skin. As a result, the skin gets dull and dry. The skin's suppleness is also important. The second is the body's processes become sluggish and weak as well. Aside from the skin, aging has a negative impact on cognitive processes such as thinking, memory, and thought. With aging, one's eyesight deteriorates significantly. At first, aging appears startling, and you started to worry what was wrong with your skin. When you start thinking about your diet, you'll discover that nothing has changed. Despite following your typical diet and making no changes to your lifestyle, the aging process continues on a daily basis. Ways to reverse aging process. Human beings are always aware of the process of aging. They've been attempting to halt or stop the process for millennia. They've attempted a variety of methods to slow down the process. The scientific study of the aging process reveals that it is a complex process. DNA is intimately linked. As a result, the aging process can be sped up, slowed down by defending this DNA from both direct and indirect aggressors, both externally and internally of the body. Regular exercise is another strategy to slow down the aging process. Exercise helps the body digest meals and also strengthens the immune system. In addition, your good attitude has an impact. It plays a crucial function in keeping you young and slowing down the aging process. This demonstrates the importance of these three factors in slowing down and the aging process can be reversed. The most crucial of these elements is maintaining a healthy diet. Superfoods are essential for slowing and reversing the aging process. These foods supply enough protein for the body, carbs, minerals, and other beneficial components in the body's cells. It helps to strengthen them. Consuming these nutritious foods, in addition, it delays the degeneration of the body's cells. As a result, body's generation of worthless cells comes to a halt. This maintains the body is in a more efficient operating position. Despite the fact that there is no criterion for grading foods as superfoods, foods that are nutritionally dense are referred to as superfoods. These foods keep the body in good shape. If you want to halt or stop the aging process, you'll need to cultivate healthy eating habits in yourself. The aging process can be slowed or reversed. These are the foods. 1. Green foods. Green food is one of the most essential types of foods that has been shown to slow and reverse the aging process. We're talking about leafy vegetables and cereals when we say green foods. Barley and wheat grasses are examples of green cereals. Nutritional benefits are excellent. Green leafy veggies are high in antioxidants, phytonutrients. Almost all the vegetables are categorized as superfoods because these are rich of minerals, vitamins, and other useful ingredients. Regular eating of any of these may reverse the effects of aging on your skin. 2. Beans and lentils are two other foods that are high in nutrients that are beneficial to the body. Fiber content is higher in them than in any other food. Consumption of beans and lentils maintains a healthy level of fiber in the body. These meals are always available. Consuming them is excellent for the body because they have no negative effects. These foods do not raise blood pressure. Eating beans and lentils has been shown to improve human health. Consumption of them on a regular basis may reduce the risk of deadly diseases such as cancer. These are essential for blood circulation. A steady level of pressure beans are consumed by a large number of people in order to enhance their protein intake and the body's blood sugar. Many people eat beans to increase the iron level in the body. This is because the research has proved that beans and lentils are a good source for iron in the body. 3. Blueberries. Because blueberries are high in vitamins, soluble fiber, and phytochemicals, they frequently remain near the top of the list of superfoods. One of the most intriguing aspects of this is that these other berries have nutrients as well. The habitual consumption of the body gets adequate flavonoids from phytochemicals. Another advantage of blueberries is that they are low in calories, but high in nutrients. This suggests that consuming large amounts of blueberries has no detrimental consequences. A cup of blueberries has only 84 calories in it. There are 15 grams of carbohydrates and 15 grams of protein in this dish. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are also very important because of nutritional values. Eating these fruits and drinking their juices keeps your skin fresh and tight. These are considered a good addition to the balanced diet for many reasons. The very first reason of their being superfoods is that these contain fiber in large quantity. About 25 to 35 grams of fibers should be taken, and citrus fruits fulfills this need of human beings. Some individuals believe that eating too many citrus fruits or drinking too much juice may raise blood sugar levels. Citrus fruits have a low glycemic index, according to a study. This suggests that eating these fruits is beneficial to your health. Blood sugar levels are not raised by eating them or drinking their juices. This lower index means that glucose taken through these fruits is released in the blood slowly. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits also aid in the absorption of certain nutrients by the body. These aid in the absorption of iron and minerals that the body requires. These minerals are useful in boosting the body's immune system. 5. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains iron, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, and a variety of other nutrients. These chocolates also contain a significant amount of fiber. Furthermore, chocolate contains both saturated and unsaturated fats. These offer the body with enough calories, but with moderate sugar. Dark chocolate is also good for your skin. These have the effect of increasing the flow of blood to the cells that are exposed to sunlight. This increased blood flow protects the cells from any damage caused by its density, and hydration will be increased. In different parts of the world, people consume these superfoods in different ways. Some people prefer to eat green leafy vegetables that are fresh. You can also consume these foods on a regular basis by extracting juices. Citrus fruits, blueberries, and other berries, for example, can be juiced as well as numerous other superfoods. There are a lot of people who make the blueberry pudding. Salmon fish can also be eaten grilled or roasted. Some superfoods can also be consumed as tea. Green tea is another superfood that is widely consumed around the world. Some of the superfoods can be eaten after being cut into small pieces. Even massaging some vegetables, such as cucumber, demonstrates beneficial effects on the skin. Eating protein-rich foods is always beneficial, because it is one of the largest requirements of the body. The aging process is linked to your food, which you can manage by eating a well-balanced diet. A well-balanced diet provides anti-inflammatory properties that prevent cell deterioration. To reach the goal of halting cell degeneration, You should plan your meals and mix particular elements in your daily eating. I hope you enjoyed and learned some new things. Comment below, like, subscribe, and push that bell so you know when my next video is available. As always, thanks a bunch for watching.